Hi, welcome to Ketchikan. We're on Ovation to the Seas, going to tour around today, see what it has to offer. I think I found a pub to have a beer at the end of the day. It's raining, it's cold. I think it's about 45 degrees, and here's what I got on today. So my hat that I always wear to try keeping the rain out of my glasses, which I don't know what's gonna happen today. I got a North Face raincoat. Underneath, I think I have, what is it? LL Bean heavy sweater. That's a little bit of what we're wearing today to try staying dry. Thanks for joining. Ketchikan, it may have been one of the wettest days I've ever seen, but it was a great day. We went to Creek Street and saw the houses right above the river. The river was raging in the beautiful colors of Ketchikan. What a great day. Stick around and see some of the funny signs that are throughout Ketchikan.
So we get off the ship and head to Creek Street. It's about an 8-minute walk. This map will show you how to get there.
Hi, welcome to Harbor to Happy Hour. Tammy and I travel the world getting off at cruise ports to see and have some of the most wonderful adventures. We look forward to you joining us as we cruise the world. Please subscribe and like, turn on the notification bell. Let's get started with our next great adventure.
So here we are at Creek Street, the famous Ketchikan. All these locations built over the water for where the brothels used to be. Here, incredible view of the water coming down. Just a beautiful view here in Creek Street. Little shops, turning some of these places into shops. Fraternal Order of Eagles. Just some beautiful painted up buildings from way back. Here's the tram. It'll take you up top where you can grab a drink, a cup of coffee to warm up. Such an appropriate sign. It's raining. Little building here, great sign. And there's our ship just in the background. So I'm sitting up here in Creek Street. You can see all the buildings painted up and the water rushing through. I'm sure it's been raining for days here. Just a beautiful place to be here in Alaska. There's so many places to get salmon here. There's a ship just in the background. Another totem pole. Salmon shops, artists. Not just t-shirt shops, guys. Great stuff throughout town. Hi, so we're back out, taking a walk around here in Ketchikan. We're gonna see where the salmon actually go upstream here. So let me show you this where they're at. So here's where we're at in Ketchikan. You can see on the far right over here where salmon will actually go upstream and go back up. Absolutely beautiful.
As we leave Creek Street, we head to the Totem Heritage exhibit, 601 Deermount Street, about an 8-minute walk.
Stick around for the very end to find a great place to grab some chowder in Ketchikan. Thanks for watching. Just walking along, going to the Totem Pole exhibit. And this is what I'm walking next to. Right next to the river that goes out to the ocean. Absolutely gorgeous. Here we are, the Totem Pole Heritage Museum. Let's do a little tour.
another beautiful art piece as I walk back to Crab and Go from the Totem Heritage Exhibit, about a 15-minute walk. Crab and Go in Ketchikan, a great place to warm up, have some good soup, and a cold beer. Check it out.
Head chowder. Crab and Go. Ketchikan. Excellent.
And the final piece to our adventure, walking from Crab and Go to the Rock, a statue honoring the heritage of Alaska. This 4-minute walk takes us right back to the ship and a chance to see this beautiful statue. Thanks for watching our Ketchikan tour. It was a cold, wet, rainy day, but Ketchikan is a beautiful city with so much to offer.
Hi, so we're leaving Ketchikan. Had a great day. Walked up and saw some of the great waterfalls coming down. The water's coming through the creeks. It was beautiful. Actually saw a ton of totem poles, went up to the museum, and it was pretty cool. So had a great day walking all around. Went to Crab and Go, had some great chowder. So please give us a thumbs up, like it.
If you like this content, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to see more Alaska videos, hit this video right here and see more about the Alaska adventures we've taken. Thanks for watching.